Sometimes the cell phone makes a pretty good mirror. Before we take off this morning, I want to show you where I parked last night. I'm in White Rock. The beach is just over those buildings there, and I DJ just back here. Parking lot here says parking restrictions are 10 a.m. till midnight, so you're okay to park here overnight. Remember, if you see restrictions like that, that doesn't mean you're not allowed to park here. It just means you need to be the hell out of here by the time 10 o'clock comes around, or start feeding the meter, one of the two. There's no better place than getting up in the morning, wherever the hell you want to be, and seeing that in the morning. I love this, man. This is just so much fun. Disco had a hard time getting up this morning. It was so funny. Sometimes that guy just is like, you could rock him, you could poke him, you could prob him, you could put food in front of his face, and he's just like, hell yes. Look at this weirdo. It's like a little winter wonderland out here. So fun. 20 pack of Timbits. If you're watching this from the States, Timbits are just like the center of donuts. This kid is gonna do 20 Timbits in 20 seconds.
I can't do this in 20 seconds.
20 Timbits, 20 seconds, go. I am completely exhausted. So we're gonna mask up that exhaustion with some sunglasses because it always makes everything just a little bit cooler. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. I know I didn't get a lot of great shots today because me and my daughter just spent some good quality time together, but thanks for being here for a part of it. I always love, you know, bringing you guys into a part of my life. It seriously means a lot to me. The comments are always blown up with so much positivity and so much love, and I thank you guys for all of that. I'm definitely gonna see you tomorrow, but for right now, I am gonna go up the street a couple of blocks, I'm gonna pull over, and I'm gonna do exactly what this guy is doing, pass out and go to bed. I love you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, weirdos. Adios.